Musesani mubea nundu wa kuendelea kutambania na itu nthini wa kilumkicha Uiiti. Naindi twende na kunena na yolo wa Kuiwa ni Mutwe mutolo kwata andu ingi. Daktari kwa tutabie tutunabika bandu ba mundu ati niwe Mutwe na ambisa Kuiwa ni Mutwe. Yeah. Nibe dhabe partila specific mundu withanda iwa ni Mutwe ati niwe Mutwe.
Muno ila mundu because of injury na it's quite common tambe why na accident, road traffic accident wese mundu ena accident amanati naba na kana wako niwe mundu mundu andu ingi makada kuna Mutwe na wamino kuna Mutwe na bedha na fracture kana any injury mutu zuri kala wikwela kila pinda in most cases mundu no tuna Mutwe na ayambe akodo ni Mutwe na sometimes aikwatwa ni kisala kana epilepsy nundu pepa ndo miwe na hicho timona pe ando ingi mekala mundu mwima anaye musio na nunaenda yanesa na yambe okaloka na nundu ni watiniwe na pepa ndo muto kwake pa omiye na paende pa after some time ayambe kwa na epilepsy kana fits kana kisala na hicho kitumi ela mundu wambia kwithwa yara ni Mutwe na ni womiwe ni hicho kitumi kuna CT scan kana kuna MRI CT scan MRI they are all the same na data mino kuretu mana pala pa omite Mutwe neba now idata mana mundu umite Mutwe penda kuretu munenga muno tumunenga ndawa embwana ni chalia tumunenga chalia eba mundu elo ni Mutwe nundu wakwithwa ni nukwacha to tumunenga ndawa sia koma na edwa indi no ni watiniwe na bandu ni ba wie kana ne ba wie na ndaka medievo ni to operate ya to komya ndaka mezu kana ta mundu na wadala kana edwa pena tiuma kana wimbu and then Mutwe to ni to operate ya to komya wimbu kana we say apart from kuita wimbu mundu ni wambia ni wakakwala kwa ila mundu wamina kutinwa na chale chake kiumana na kutinwa ando ingi muno alam maitho ama iro ni Mutwe nundu akuumiwa embwa umisio yai mwingi muno pengine wona abia no weka ukita kuita the headache there is nothing else you do
pe Mutwe wa mundu ndasia ewa Mutwe tilekanite okethia mundu kila Mutwe wa kilungu kimweta kinthi na kingito endo kila to kutia Mutwe mwengi nongie na wo kwatuka kwa Mutwe usuweta weni chao
pe Mutwe mo wala changale kwemwe isu muno ito anaka with a migraine headache ito anaka muno ukatio during periods because there we wa Mutwe yarangale kwemwe na ngale ndo peke ndo mulo yarangale kwemwe isu muno ito because of changes of hormones yaka it's quite common na migraine headache that's look within it's to me ila tunene yembo ram present ino sio tukatime ya Mutwe ukaende nondo sometimes migraine headache ila yoka muno during the periods na isu is to treat nondo wa mina kunywa panadol na to me most of the ladies in fact medwana panadol kana not actor panadol kana proven in the adback nondo meze Mutwe pe na ukana medwa mayeta weza ko kama kesoja panadol na that's a phenomena to me Mutwe ni symbol sign and symptoms lakini muno pe alama amaniye Mutwe wa ukaende na medwa na ndawa kile pinda na ni meze ukaende na manu sana na manya uibwa and they didn't bother to go and see a doctor to me headache ni a symbol sign lakini very complicated if it continues for quite a long time to me it's very important we say the anwa mana ukaende na edwa nukuwa muno indo acha nukukila na watotia Mutwe nukukila na Mutwe tokwatia it means there's a problem na to me it's no lazima take usunguzi de nangi pe kiti magara tima outside the head kana kwa sababu ndio Mutwe ndio makendo kengi kila kitu Mutwe na thina lakini pe kila tu focus ya Mutwe bene muno edwa we na thina wa kuona embole thina kwa ukithi wiwa utestable ila ukuthi ukugeza kukumu wiwa takutenda vina takuito kana ila utapika we focus on the head nondo tapimina eta thina no lazima thia pena thina thina wa Mutwe na muno ila ukwalo ni Mutwe kwacha ila utapika kwacha nondo but I mean that is a problem in the brain itself nondo pe Mutwe na be wongo Mutwe ni bindi lakini wongo is the brain na hicho to me ila pena thina la uwongo we say that that's a major problem nondo wongo ni wa mundu is the engine of the body nundu wina thina in the brain with the whole body is affected na just when ila mundu wacha ena kwalwe mutwe you need to most of the times don't pay attention lakini when some ila mundu wako mbulikana ena mutwe na wewe wina some connection na serious thing you pay a lot of attention nundu problem on the brain is a major problem now the brain nundu liwa metoke na muno liwa yeah nundu brain ni one of the, ni mudhaila damwe itethwa ikiana no umia muscle na after sometimes muscles makiana na maili place makuza normal lakini waumia mutwe kukwata kuboa kana kuyana ingi uli place pala pa na umia bebe na thina na jokutimi ila kana kethwa kaisiawa na kaisiawa kena thina wa kusiawa ila pulse kana kila kethwa na thina wa mutwe kana ni kaisiawa na kaumia mutwe kaisiawa kana ku kiana kena thina nundu kaisa regain the normal growth nundu mutwe kuyana na utukaneza ta pepe na thina nundu any injury to the brain is almost like permanent
Kuiwa ni mutune kutuma mundu au amanyo nose bleeding
yes na nose bleeding ila kola ni mutwe ni idhari high blood pressure nundu nose bleeding na kwalo ni mutwe ila wana high blood pressure ndicho kitimi mundu ena high blood pressure with a stroke kana akadha na bleeding inside the brain inaweza na bleeding inside the brain with a kwethia wongono wa blana ndakame and that causes death immediately na chokutimi ila mundu na high blood pressure kana ndakame akesembete muno pandu pa kuwa inside the brain uwa manyo is the same is either ni mekiba ya palika na ya palika it releases the pressure na moto yalia na blood pressure goes low chokutimi ando ingela metana stroke mama palika kamwikiba then wa wongo the blood pressure goes to normal nundu that pressure has been already released and that's to me ila we kola ni mutwe no kola munono because of high blood pressure it's good to check and follow your blood pressure nundu wa mo follow it will cause problem either bleeding in the brain kana bleeding manyo kana bleeding in the eye but it's to me and ingala medwa mena high blood pressure maka kwa nandinesa nundu pe bleeding in the retinal bleeding kana ukambio bleed in the kidney icho kutumi alamedwa na high blood pressure ma bleed the kidney fails medwa na renal failure amakizwa na dialysis because of all those reasons headache is a common problem and it sometimes can be very serious na it can show or depict or represent a very serious illness in the body yeah
pema bindange withwa mundu asiai ewa mutu we muito
yeah
labda mutu usui kwalia witha uita vitu echa
that's mainly ni lack of sleep ila mutu mwanza ni it evidence of the head in fact is a description in English mutu muito na mutu we uita ba either lack of sleep kana penda wa unywa yenye utuma withwa na evidence of the head yes da unywa muno there's evidence of the head non penda wa nyusa kwa sababu mutu ta muito and that's quite common yeah
ni kulo ye ni wewe asa ingi mundu ndasia no kuiwa mutwe
yeah
lakini ndwithia saisona ni yeo yikwalia
yeah
yeo na mutwe sitha na connection myo
yeah no ni na weta nundu ila we muwo pandu bangi the first sign headache oneza urane lakini muno yezo iyala wiza kwa mundu kwa mundu nundu yezo zepa kubya mutwe ona sangi wina tonsils without wina tonsils no kwa ni tonsils lakini wina headache because any part of the body is sick pandu ponde pa mwe pepa wo headache is the first sign
na ndu wa wete ulwa tonsils sieta wichao
tonsils is infection ni bacterial infection na tonsils ni very serious infection nundu andwenge alamedwa na tonsils muno tasiana infection ila idwa in tonsils yenda kwa nango izo chana ningi wa ni siana cooperate wango nundu infection la idwa na in the tonsils yenda kwa nango tonsils is a simple infection lakini very uncomfortable nundu wina dondu malia matana ndwekata go is a serious in disturbing lakini though itself by itself is easy to treat nundu waminonya antibiotics wangago kana wanya painkillers the odontos cause and most of that antibiotics are they treat the tonsil lakini though bene wasiana ne anangango na anangango yondo kaze kana kuno lazima cooperative kana ngo ya kwa sawa tonsils is a serious infection by itself yeah na joke to me I say ingi waze kana thina wa tonsils rush to the hospital to nikana usani wasi ya kana kukekeza na complications ngo itina yes
Kuiwa ni mutwe kwitha connection na thina wa ENT
ENT ni ear nose and throat muno amundu either ena sinusitis sinusitis ni infection of sinuses ila sitho baba na jokitimi ila mundu akola ni mutu ni ngunso kama na ni region jeba mundu pia ndabya na kole mutu baba pambe that's because of sinuses na sinusitis is very common na jokitimi ila mundu kola ni mutu because of sinusitis no aita wa sinusitis zoka kana sinusitis na tonsillitis na blocked nose are all connected because those are all ENT na mato manyo na sinuses na tonsils all those are connected na joke to me when we na sinusitis nila the sinus see na infection inside the sinuses na joke to me andonge maenda makathamba na mayito the sinusitis there is wanundu when sinusitis mudo wala zapambe na when stress wala zababa yes na joke to me there's a difference region ila mudo kwalya is important nundu and when gala na sinusitis mudo wala zabambe na wala za throat na ni dull pain ila ita wa dull headache kwa wikita kwa mudo yale wonde na wiwa walete na ila throbbing sasa wiwa tokuna yes takiba muno ila we na yelo kwa kwenda wikuno na ilo kwa matu there is that lakini sinusitis we will kwa throughout utokuna yes
kwa utu ase wina tonsillitis wesa wa mtu wa bambe
yes tonsillitis na sinusitis so tonsillitis that sometimes are no they are connected na sinusitis ambaye from the nose says ambateto and joke to me is quite common sinusitis is a major problem actually in most of the patients now before you know a patient has got sinusitis it takes a bit of time nundu mumo okahala ne mudo throughout alone mutwe na unless you get into it and you do CT scan sinuses of the sinuses you never know na joke to me in fact I've seen many patients with a problem na unless you pay attention na mutwe wala siata na withwa wiba you never get it
sieta weni chao
sinusitis sieta wani kwa ye kalamu no ila bandu wazaithia mainena ni mabindu ite wasya itwa nasal speech nena na manyo na inda bine kana manyo magna mabingalu na mabingalu kukiasa the infection it climb there into sinus because the sinus is around here
ni kwata makulu maituma mundi twasungia peke nduto na kuongela yolwa sinuses
not less
kala kuiwa mutwe
kwa mutwe there is nothing much because it's a long topic and a big topic about the headache na joke to me that now touch the main issues about the headache na joke to me we don't headache and out it's more specifics no it's a wide topic na joke to me as I said me no exactly well on mutwe ndi ukaende na ni kwete tayari la nesa na tama na namba tokanya in the way ku headache is a whole topic about in medicine
ndi ndio kumina ndio turamudia kwa
musiaisa kwa la today na monekana kwa mazina ya Dr. Geoffrey Mutuma numete from Zambezi Hospital from Nairobi in South Sea na kwa la menda kunia simu ya kwa 0722 801 noti monza ile na noti imwe ile kaenda na ile Airtel ni 0734 801 monza itatu ina na noti imwe ile kaenda nosia
ni asanti naende musiaisa abunibo tubika muthia wa kilungitu cha umundi kilungi Uiiti nyeni twa Faith Mackenzie wa Mutunga ni kuendea kiuyo chailu tiwanesa.